Army Power and Energy, Soldier Power, Basing Power, and Vehicle Power. We are enhancing mission effectiveness through Army Power and Energy advancements. We are changing Army culture, making energy a consideration in all that we do. Soldier Power is the energy needed by a dismounted soldier to operate soldier-worn equipment in field operations. We are lightening the dismounted soldier's energy load and aggressively deploying advanced soldier power solutions, such as the Soldier-Worn Integrated Power Equipment System, or SWIPES, conformal batteries, squad power managers, modular universal battery chargers, solar blankets, portable generators, and others.
Last year, we received notification we were deploying in support of Combined Joint Special Operations Task Force Afghanistan to Afghanistan. It was just natural for us to request those additional capabilities that Soldier Power provided. We're able to take something that would be just wasted and useless to us, harvest it, put it into another battery, and use it for our operational needs. So it was a win-win situation for everybody, our support and sustainment soldiers and our operators on the ground.
3 to 6 pounds of batteries to replace 12 to 15 pounds of batteries for a long period of time.
Carry like more bullets, more water, more food, less batteries.
Definitely carry more ammo and or different mission essential equipment dependent upon mission and where you're at.
Operational energy is a key enabler essential for combined arms maneuver and soldier sustainment. It's the energy and associated systems, information, and processes required to train, move, and sustain forces and systems for military operations.
Look at two things you got to have to conduct your combat operations: to close with and destroy the enemy, and that's ammunition and fuel. A lot of the things you need to, but if you don't got those two, you ain't going to make it.
Basing power. It includes installations and contingency base camps. We are striving for energy security on our installations, which are dependent on power grids, vulnerable to weather, nature, and acts of terrorism. At forward operating bases and base camps, improving energy security and efficiency represents one of our best opportunities to increase mission capability by decreasing energy usage and our logistical tail. The cornerstone of energy security and sustainability is our net zero strategy. Based on the principles of integrated design, we will appropriately manage our natural resources by producing as much energy as we use, capturing or reusing water equal to the amount we use, and eliminating or reusing solid waste disposal.
We're building a 1 megawatt photovoltaic solar field. It's roughly 1,200 feet long, comprised of about 2,400 solar panels. It's going to roughly put out 1 megawatt of power. This is going to wind up a very large carport, and it's going to serve a dual purpose of providing the power and providing shelter for the trucks as well. This is the first of 2 in this location and the first of 4 altogether. This is one of a kind. It's a fascinating project to be on. It's almost a pioneering effort.
After a complete upgrade to the irrigation system and conversion to a desert-scape course in 2005, water savings average up to 56 million gallons per year. In 2001, the East Range Recharge Facility was constructed and recharges close to 130 million gallons per year of treated effluent from the fort's wastewater treatment facility.
Every day, over 80 tons of trash ends up in our Fort Hood landfill.
Fort Hood has a goal to eliminate all waste across the installation by the year 2020.
Every motor pool on Fort Hood is required to have the blue recycled containers. It's up to us to take advantage of these convenient resources.
Through energy initiatives, we are leveraging existing authorities to obtain private sector expertise and third-party financing. The Army Energy Initiatives Task Force assists installations in employing large-scale, cost-effective renewable energy projects, including solar, wind, biomass, waste-to-energy, and geothermal energy sources.
Well, this is important to the Army because the Army's energy is at risk, whether it's the energy on our installations or the energy in our operational environments. The Army must diversify its supply of energy. We have to secure that energy on our installations, and we have to get that energy at a price that we can afford over the long term.
Vehicle power includes air, ground, tactical, and non-tactical vehicles. We are reducing petroleum usage by right-sizing our non-tactical fleet, integrating electric hybrid technologies, and exploring new and emerging alternative fuels. We are developing fuel-efficient combat vehicles, fuel management systems, alternative fuels, and exploring new materials, thus reducing our logistical footprint. The improved drop-in, energy-efficient turbine engine program will reduce the fuel consumption of more than 2,000 Black Hawk and Apache aircraft by 25%, while at the same time increasing their horsepower and doubling their payload capacity. Through teamwork, relationships, and leader support, we will fulfill the objectives of the Army Campaign Plan. We will provide soldiers agility, flexibility, and resiliency in austere environments, void of wall outlets or generators. We will facilitate transformation, providing facilities, programs, and services to support the Army, our soldiers, and their families. We will reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. We are making energy a consideration in all that we do.
We're changing our culture so that every soldier, civilian, and family member in the Army is a power manager.